Hey, I'm in Orange County, California. This here is our Atmospheric River rainstorm. Had about 7 inches. I'm in a place called Trabuco Canyon. Right there is called Trabuco Creek. That creek running down there. Usually it's completely dry, it's an arroyo. And it only floods seasonally when there's rain, then it dries up. Pretty good creek right now. It's real dangerous here, all these curves and turns. Policeman out there is monitoring people don't go up in the canyon. That guy right there, making sure people obey the law. There you go. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.